Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a duck. Really easy. As always, we start with shapes. So, big oval for a body. You see that? There we go. Move that down a little bit. And then we have the tube that we've used before. Slight angle on that one. And a circular head. And then we're going to have the beak coming out like that. So you can do another oval there where the beak's going to be. Legs will come out in a minute, but that's a triangle there. Easy as that to start with. Let's follow our lines. So the head is coming up like that, out and round to meet the body there. We'll take that one all the way around. I'm going to stop there and I'm going to put some little bits coming out there on the extra line there. If you imagine that's a smaller, shallower oval, you can pull that in there and it looks more like feathers. And then we can carry on with this line here, up to here. Push that up there if needs be. Some of them have a little collar like that, don't they? That's a nice one. Then we can just bring this leg down here, follow that out, and then what we'll do with the leg is just, instead of the full triangle, we'll do like a little umbrella shape there. Makes it look like the leg, and then the other side, exactly the same. For that, now this is a bit where it gets slightly trickier. We can draw an eye, and we can have another eye on that side if you want, or you can do whatever sort of eyes you want if you've got a particular style that you like to do. Now the beak is going to come slightly up between the eyes, and then back here where the mouth is going to come, and then through like that. So you've still got that shape there, and then we're going to follow this right to the end there. Then what we're going to do is just do a slight extra line here, and then bring it back to the smile there. That's the bit that sometimes is a little bit tricky, because that makes it look like a proper duck's beak rather than any other animal. So that's just one of the parts to get right. But that's our basic duck, and it's it's a pretty decent effort, I think, on a pretty quick basis. And then as soon as you add a little bit of colour to it, it really comes to life. It's very ducky. All of a sudden, especially if you go for orange for a beak, for a duck, and it looks really, really ducky. And then just go light brown for the rest of the body there, I reckon. Give it a quick swoosh on there just to give you an idea of what that looks like. That's our duck. Orange for the feet. It's quackers, we're done. Good stuff. I shall see you next time. Like, subscribe, all those things on these buttons that are coming up here. There's a big circle with Captain Fishbeard. That's your subscribe button. Please hit that, and I'll see you next time on captainfishbeard.com.